And friends, any teaching that downplays or disagrees with Christ's own words is a falsehood that is designed to separate you from the grace of Jesus Christ. Here's what Jesus says about his own uniqueness. John 14, verse 6. He's answering the disciples' questions about, show us the Father, show us the way. And Jesus says this, I am the way and the truth and the life. No one comes to the Father except by me. That's pretty straightforward. And if there are these other teachings that just sort of creep in the world around us that say, well, that's not really true, they're all basically the same, all of that is designed to separate us from the grace of Jesus Christ. So friends, recognize this. Endurance for the Christians in Pergamum, endurance for you and me, will require that we hold to the uniqueness of Jesus Christ. This is not at all a popular belief, but it requires that we hold to the uniqueness of Jesus Christ in the face of whatever peer pressure that we face.